Chapter 2. More on MS Windows 7. Introduction. Dear children, you have learnt in your previous class that MS Windows is an operating system that controls the overall activities of the computer. MS Windows operating system has many flavors called versions, such as MS Windows 95, MS Windows 98, MS Windows 2000, MS Windows XP, MS Windows Vista, MS Windows 7, MS Windows 8, MS Windows 8.1, and now Windows 10. Let us learn about Windows 7. Windows 7. Windows 7 operating system is developed by Microsoft Corporation for use in personal computers, PC, tablets, and smartphones. It is used both at home and for business purpose. It provides you with a graphical user interface, GUI. It uses pictures, tiles, icons, and buttons for performing different operations. So, you do not have to remember all commands. You can perform functions like creating, renaming, copying, and deleting files and folders just by using a mouse or tapping with your fingers. Features of Windows 7. Windows 7 has a very attractive look with colorful themes. It comes with new features, improved programs, and faster speed. Among the new features available in Windows 7, there are new technologies that run in the background, making your computer more efficient and reliable. It has security tools that are used to keep your computer more secure. The control panel in Windows 7 allows you to change display settings, add or remove programs, change date and time. It also helps to manage different resources and functioning of the computer system. The most common editions of the Windows 7 operating system are Windows 7 Home Premium, Windows 7 Professional, and Windows 7 Ultimate. When you start Windows 7, its desktop appears on the screen. It has many icons on it. These icons are used for opening different programs, files, or folders. Do you know? Windows 10 is the latest version of Windows released on 29th July 2015. Files and folders. Suppose you are drawing a picture in Paint or typing a letter in Microsoft Word. After completing the task, what do? You simply save it on your disk with a name. The area on the disk that contains some information and is saved with a name is known as a file. In other words, we can say that a file is a collection of data stored on some storage device, such as a hard disk. A folder is a place where many files are stored. In other words, the files are contained in a folder. A folder may have one or more files stored in it. A folder may also store different folders with files in them. It means there may be both files and folders inside a folder. Do you know? A folder within a folder is called subfolder. Each file in a folder has a name that is unique. Creating a folder. Let us learn to create a folder on the desktop. To create a new folder on your desktop, follow the given steps. Step 1. Move the mouse pointer away from icons on desktop and right-click the mouse. A shortcut menu appears. Step 2. Click the New option. A new submenu appears. Step 3. Click the Folder option. You get a new folder on the desktop. Step 4. Type the name of the folder as you want. For example, First folder. Now you have a folder on the desktop and you can store files in it. Creating a file. File can be created in any program in Windows. In fact, you know how to create a file. You have created your files in Microsoft Word and Paint in previous classes. After completing a task, when you save your work by giving a name, a file is created. Opening a file or folder. When you have to open a file or folder, simply move the mouse pointer to the required file or folder and double-click on it. It opens and its contents can be viewed. Do you know? Shortcuts are the convenient ways to open any file, program without going to the actual location of the file. You can create shortcut of any file at any location, such as inside a folder or on the desktop. To create a shortcut of a file or folder, right-click on the file or folder and click Send to Desktop Create Shortcut option. Practical in Computer Lab. Perform the following tasks. Create a new folder on the desktop and name it Science in Computers. Open Microsoft Word 2010 and type the following. Shadow is the dark image of any object on the ground. They are formed when an object blocks, stops the path of light. A shadow is always formed on the opposite side of the source of light. Save the file with the name Shadow in the folder Science in Computers. Close Microsoft Word 2010. Open the folder Science in Computers by double-clicking it. Open the file Shadow by double-clicking it. Renaming a file or folder. Rename means to change the name of an existing file or folder. To rename a file or folder, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the file or the folder that has to be renamed. Step 2. Right-click the mouse button and select the rename option. Now, type the new name that you wish to give to the file or folder. Selecting multiple files or folders. We can select multiple files or folders in two ways, adjacent or non-adjacent. Selecting adjacent files or folders. To select adjacent files or folders, click the first file or folder to be selected. Then hold down the Shift key and click on the last file or folder to be selected. All the adjacent files or folders get selected. Selecting non-adjacent files or folders. To select non-adjacent files or folders, click the first file or folder to be selected. Then hold down the Control key and click on each of the items to be selected. All the non-adjacent files or folders get selected. Deleting a file or folder. A file or a folder can be safely deleted. To delete a file or folder, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the file or folder that has to be deleted. Step 2. Right-click the mouse button and select the Delete option. The deleted file or folder move to Recycle bin.